Hello guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is the current affair and general knowledge session for 2nd November 2019. And listen this video till the end. One question will be asked at the end, so you need to comment your answer. So, if you have not already subscribed this channel, do subscribe it and share it to your friends so that they will also get benefit from the same. Okay, so let's start today's current affairs and general knowledge session. Okay, first one is East Siang headquarter Pasighat of Arunachal Pradesh is to host multilingual writers meet at the College of Horticulture and Forestry on 2nd and 3rd November 2019. The meet is being hosted by the Sahitya Academy in collaboration with Manipur-based Central Agricultural University, Imphal, and the Arunachal Pradesh Literature Society, that is APLS, Itanagar. Okay, so a multilingual writers meet is to be hosted in East Siang headquarters Pasighat of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, next, the Spanish government confirmed that it made its bid to host the COP25, 25th session of the Conference of the Parties, that is COP25 Climate Summit on the scheduled dates of 2 to 13 December 2019. This summit is aimed to bring out details of the implementations of the Paris Agreement Climate Pact. So COP25 is about to bring out the details of the implementation of the Paris Agreement Climate Pact. Okay. Then next, World Vegan Day is observed on 1st November. Okay, and this Vegan Day is to show the importance of vegetarian foods in our day-to-day life activities. Okay, next, Twitter has decided to ban all political advertising from its platform. Saudi Arabia is the third Gulf state to witness the launch of the RuPay card during the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So Saudi Arabia becomes the third Gulf state to witness the launch of the RuPay card during the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, the first day-night test between India and Bangladesh will be played at Eden Garden Stadium in Kolkata from 22nd November. And why it is important? Because this match will be played with a pink-colored ball. Okay. Now coming to the static GK portion of today. First one, Tungabhadra. This is a tributary river of Krishna River. And second, Tungabhadra multi-purpose project is a joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next, the Tropic of Cancer currently lies 23 degree 26 dash 16 double dash north of the equator. And this is very important, okay? Do remember 23 degree 26 dash 16 double dash. Then next, the tropical zone or torrid zone is located between 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south. The sun is vertical at least once in a year at every place in this zone. And this one is very important, that the sun is vertical at least once in a year in this tropical zone or torrid zone. Next, Darjeeling tea was the first Indian product to have got protected under geographic indicator. Okay, so Darjeeling tea was the first GI indicator means tech product of India. Next, Amritsar is called as City of Golden Temple. Similarly, Cochin is called as Queen of Arabian Sea. Cochin, Queen of Arabian Sea. Next, River Huang He, also known as Yellow River, is called Sorrow of China. Just like Damodar is the sorrow of Bihar, similarly, River Huang He or Yellow River is the sorrow of China. Next, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Do remember, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Next, Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater black. Okay, resuming the current affair session. Current affair number 7. KVS Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Parv was inaugurated at India Gate, Lawn number 6, Maharashtra. Yesterday in the current affairs session, I also introduced this Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat Parv that was launched by KVS. Okay, and the event aims to celebrate unity in diversity of the country and to reconnect and preserve the widespread emotional bonds among the people of the country at India Gate. Just remember the place where it was inaugurated. It was inaugurated at India Gate, Lawn number 6, Maharashtra by KVS. Okay. Next, Center has announced that it is to set up bamboo technology parks, and that would be set up in 2 new union territories. You already know which are they: Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Next, Japan is organizing Design Festa in Tokyo. Design Festa is organized by Japan in Tokyo, and this is an art festival. And in this art festival, around 12,000 artists will gather twice in a year to showcase their art. Today's last current affair is that Orissa Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik announced financial assistance to childcare institutions under 5T initiative. Okay, 5T initiative. So, guys, these are the most important current affairs and statistics GK for 2nd November 2019. Now, coming to the last part, that is today's question from the last class. Okay, and today's question is: Google has unveiled a project named Navlekha to make online content relevant for more Indian users, especially in fill in the blank. Option A, Hindi. Option B, Urdu. Option C, local languages. Option D, none of the above. So you need to comment the answer and I'll respond those comments. So guys, meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.